standing here in front of 3020 East Janky Flats Lane. This is one of 4 new construction properties that we built here in the Dimple Dell area. That puts you at about 103rd South and about 3000 East. There's great views up to my east here of Bell's Canyon and Little Cottonwood Canyon. On these videos, we just want to give you a quick idea of why these houses are priced where they're at. I'm standing in front of our 2-story, which is priced just over $1 million. And the reality is, walk with me here as we go look at the property. If you are looking for a new construction property on East Side Salt Lake City right now, there's only 73 homes on the market. Of those 73, only 30 are actually finished and move-in ready. See, builders all the time advertise properties that are going to be built, and sometimes the pricing's pretty fake. Only 30 of the 73 are built in 2016 and ready to move into. Only 22 of those properties are east of 1300 East in Salt Lake City. Only 14 of those 72 properties actually have a 3-car garage, as this has. And of those 14, there are only 4 properties east of 13th East with 3-car garages on the east side of Salt Lake right now that are on 0.40 of an acre sized lot or larger. This is one of those 4. The other property we're building is another one of those 4. The other 2, one's on Casto Lane, it's 1.3 million. Another one is in Pepperwood, it's 2.5 million. That's why these new construction houses are some of the best deals on East Side Salt Lake right now. All right, so now we're inside house number 3020 East here at Janky Flats Lane. I wanted to show you a little bit about the construction. When you're watching these videos from us here at Utah Cribs, you can always see all the gorgeous photos. We figure that shows you most of the property. So these videos aren't intended to show you the property, but they're intended to show you inside and tell you why we priced them where they're priced. Right now in this market, as you kind of look at this property and get an idea of finish quality, I'll tell you, if you were to buy a lot in Sandy or Cottonwood Heights, east of Highland Drive, for those of you that know the area, for a half acre in this market, you're going to spend a minimum of $300,000. For example, this house we're in is just over 5,000 square feet. So if you were to reconstruct a house of this quality, metal banisters, accordion glass sliding wall from your dining, tall ceilings, nice countertops, obviously more expensive cabinetry, Euro glass showers, nice lighting, and with a view. For this type of construction quality grade in this market, you're gonna spend at least $150 a square foot, okay? So put pen to paper here. If you're doing a 5,000 square foot house, to make the math simple, and you wanna build your own new custom home, you're gonna spend at least $750,000 to reconstruct a similar home. For that, you're probably not gonna get a lot of the things you get here. Add on top of that, the minimum you're gonna spend for a lot right now, east of Highland Drive in Cottonwood Heights or Sandy, that's a half acre, say $300,000. You're gonna be in the property well over $1 million. That's prior to it being landscaped, that's before any basement is finished, and with the scarcity of lots these days, that probably means you're gonna end up on a main road or not get the lot size you want. To be this far east in this quality grade construction product, I'm telling you, you can't go buy a lot and build your own home and be into it cheaper than you could buy this household for today in September of 2016.